guys, I'm from Math Academia, and today we will be reviewing a question on triangles, quadrilaterals, and polygons. So the question states that ABCD is a square and triangle ABE is an equilateral triangle. And the question wants us to find angle CED. Alright, so let me label angle CED. So this is the angle that we need to find. Let's recap. The properties of an equilateral triangle is that it has all three equal sides and each angle equal to 60 degrees. So let me label them. So angles EAB would be 60 degrees, angle EBA would be 60 degrees, and angle AEB would be 60 degrees. Okay, the next, let's recap properties of a square. A square have all four equal sides, and each angle would equal to 90 degrees. So does it mean that knowing that angle EAB is 60 degrees, this would mean that angle DAE would be 30 degrees, and angle CBE would also be 30 degrees. Now remember, we state that all four sides of a square are equal. So therefore, AB would equal to AD and would also equal to BC and DC. And since triangle ABE are equilateral triangle, this means AB also equals to AE also equals to BE. Now let's study the diagram. We will realize that triangle DAE is an isosceles triangle and triangle BCE is also an isosceles triangle. So properties of isosceles triangle would be they have two equal sides and two equal angles. This means that angle BCE would equal to angle CEB, and angle DEA would equal to angle ADE. Okay. With this knowledge, let's try and find angle CEB. So angle CEB plus angle ECB plus angle CBE gives me 180 degrees. Okay, and since we know that angle CEB equals to angle ECB, because triangle BCE is an isosceles triangle, so therefore angle CEB equals to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees divided by 2, which gives me 75 degrees. Alright, and applying the same logic, we would know that angle DEA would also be 75 degrees. Since angle at a point add up to 360 degrees, this would mean that angle CED would equal to 360 minus 75 degrees minus 75 degrees minus 60 degrees. Okay, and that would give me 150 degrees. Okay, and we have arrived at our final answer. I hope you understand my explanation. Thank you.